Hello, this is Maroš. Welcome to promotional video to Java Selenium Cucumber Framework Part 1. In this free course, you will learn basic stuff regarding creation of Java Selenium Cucumber Framework. At the beginning, we will learn how to set up environment, set up Java, Maven, set up IDEA IntelliJ. Then we will learn how to set up the framework, so create a Maven project from scratch, set up Maven POM XML file, and set up IntelliJ Cucumber for Java plugin. And in the last section, we'll create our first test, create Cucumber feature file, create Cucumber step definition, glue code, and run your first test. And then we will also show what will be in the next parts of this tutorial. Also regarding so this first course is for free, is the first part. There is also the second part, Java Selenium Cucumber Framework Part 2, and you can see that there is discounted voucher, so you can use this link which you see here, and with this link you will you will use the link for the coupon, and you will get discounted course Java Selenium Cucumber Framework Part 2. In this course you will learn deeper about creation, test and run it via Cucumber IDEA IntelliJ plugin. So introduction to the framework, how to create glue code, before and after methods, and how to create a feature file. We will test Facebook application, then Facebook glue code. We'll learn about page object model, about identifying elements via Chrome developer tools, and create a Java class for basic Selenium actions. So many interesting stuff. Again, about deeper about page object model and how to run Cucumber test via Cucumber Java plugin. Then we will learn about TestNG, so how to create Java test runner, how to create a test default values file, how to adjust code according to runner and test default values file. Then we will create the suite, so TestNG XML file, and then run it. And in the last part, we will create new version of TestNG XML file with parameterized values. We'll adjust Maven POM in order we can call TestNG from it. We'll create run configuration in IDEA to run Maven commands, and finally we will run the tests as Maven RAM, and also some summary. So very interesting things. Again, you can use this discounted coupon. And there is also the third part, not official third part, but you can take it also without second part, but it continues what was started in the first two parts. And again, there is some introduction at the beginning and environment setup. Then we will in this tutorial git bitbucket Jenkins in Java Selenium Cucumber Framework. We will install Git and connect IDEA IntelliJ project to Git. Then we will work with Bitbucket, so create an account on Bitbucket, create Git repository there, push the project from your PC to this Bitbucket repository, how to work with Git in IDEA IntelliJ, and how to work with it in Bitbucket web page. And then very interesting and useful part about Jenkins integration with Java Selenium Cucumber Framework. So we will first install Docker, so we will touch also the Docker, then we will run Jenkins as Docker container and set up Jenkins slave. We will create Jenkins job, which pulls the code from the Bitbucket and runs the test, and we will run the job on slave and check the results on Jenkins. Okay, and again, this link, if you use this link, you will have discounted voucher for this course. So for the summary, this is discount for the second part of Java Selenium Cucumber framework, and this is unofficial third part, but also it can be taken as independent from the second part. And again, this link is for discounted course. So thank you for watching this video. I enjoy and I like that you enroll for Java Selenium Cucumber Framework Part 1. Again, it's free, so you can watch it without any investment. And then if you like it, you can use the vouchers for the next 2 courses. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.